Hi there, awesome 7th graders. This is Miss Tillman with your daily practice video for Tech Wednesday, September the 16th. Some reminders: make sure you're doing your attendance, make sure you're checking your emails, and make sure you are watching all the videos. These are important tools that I'm trying my best to give you so that you can be successful. Okay? Also, you know that I am modifying your assignments based on your learning abilities, so make sure that you look behind your team video to see what your modification is for today. Alright, log into Study Island using Clever. Now, I have provided you with 2 ways to log into Clever. I have sent out an email that had a Google Slides on it that shows you how to log in without a QR code. But you also can log in with your QR code, and that shouldn't be a problem because I've been doing it with some of you on Zoom. So if one way doesn't work, try the other. Okay? When you get into Clever, click on Study Island. Now, all the standards for Unit 1 are posted on Study Island. Last week, you should have started with the first one, which was theme. You should have did the flashcards, read the lesson, and then attempted to get your blue ribbon. Okay? Those are very important. Please, before you get a blue ribbon, do read the lesson and do complete your flashcard activity. Those are getting you ready so you can be successful and get a blue ribbon. A blue ribbon is very, very important. That means that you have mastered that standard at the 7th grade level. Okay? A white ribbon means you did work at a grade level lower than 7th grade. You need to be mastering the 7th grade level work, especially since we have found out that you will be doing the MAPS assessments this school year, even though we're doing virtual learning. So you need to keep up with your assignments, and you need to keep up with these getting these activities done on Study Island, because both of these are getting you ready to be successful on that MAP assessment test and whatever future tests that may occur. Okay? There are no submissions to Canvas for today. I will be able to see your progress on Study Island. I can see how many minutes you've been on Study Island. I can see whether or not you're doing your flashcards, whether or not you've read your lessons, and whether or not you have obtained blue or white ribbons. And remember, it's better to get a blue ribbon because that means that you have mastered that standard at the 7th grade level. Okay? Because when you get a white ribbon, it makes you have to do more work. Because you gotta, let's say you got a white ribbon on theme, but it was at the 5th grade level. Okay? That's more work because now you're going to have to get a white ribbon on theme at the 6th grade level before you can get a blue ribbon on theme on the 7th grade level. So a white ribbon always means more work. That's why I'm really emphasizing that you read the lesson, do the flashcard activity, and then gain your blue ribbon. Okay? If you have any questions for me, feel free to email me, Google Voice me, or remind me. Talk to you soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.